Okay, children, we are going to continue with the chapter, with the topic what you have discussed in the previous class, which is factorial of a given number. Okay, what is meant by factorial? Factorial of a natural number is same as product of the, and factorial means it is product of the, yes, it is the product of the first n natural numbers. Product of first n natural numbers. Children, all of you switch on your video. So if 0 factorial, it is defined as 1. 1 factorial, it is defined as 1. 1 factorial is 1. 1 factorial, it is defined as 1. Okay, n factorial, we can define this as n into n minus 1 factorial. And factorial we can, okay, n factorial we can define it as n factorial into n minus 1 factorial. So using this we are trying solving some questions. Okay, after doing 1 or 2 questions, I will be giving one small test paper. Okay, like that what you did in the previous class, one match the following or something. Actually. Write down this question. Find n if n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus factorial and n factorial by, okay, n factorial by n factorial by 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial are in the ratio 2:1. If it is in the ratio 2:1. Find n if n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 and n factorial by 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial are in the ratio 2:1. So suppose you are given two numbers A and B are in the ratio 2:1. How will you denote this? How will you write? Are in the ratio 2:1. That means, how will you express this?
A by B is equal.
Yes, yes, it is equal to, yes, Gayatri. It is 2x by 1x, which is same as, when we write like this, 2 by 1. As if I take x and x, this 2 will get cancelled. So A by B will be same as 2 by 1. Okay, the same conceptually we are going to use it here. Okay, so here what is given? N factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial and n factorial by 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial are in the ratio 2:1. That means the first number by second number is equal to 2 by 1. Is it okay? A by B is in the ratio 2:1 means we equate this as A by B is equal to 2:1. Same way here, the first number by the second number is in the ratio 2:1. Now, division of fraction means it is multiplication by reciprocal, isn't it? When you divide two fractions, the same as multiplication by reciprocal. So here how we can write n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial into 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial by n factorial is 2 by 1. Is it correct, children? Division means it is same as multiplication by reciprocal. Is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now here n factorial will get cancelled. Now we have 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial is 2 by 1. Now tell me what is the next step? What is the next step? How will you simplify this? You have to simplify this and find n.
We write 4 factorial as 2 factorial.
Okay, we can write 4 factorial as 2 factorial into 2. So what you will get? So 4 factorial, we can write this as 2 factorial into 3 into 4. That means we are expressing the bigger one in terms of smaller one. Okay. Into n minus 4 factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial is 2 by 1. So here 2 factorial will get cancelled. So we'll get 12 into n minus 4 factorial by n minus 2 factorial is equal to 2 by 1. So again, now look at these two numbers, n minus 4, n minus 2, which is bigger?
N minus 2.
N minus 2 is bigger. So express the bigger one in terms of smaller. So 12 into n minus 4 in the numerator, we keep it as such. By the denominator, n minus 2 factorial, we can write this as n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 factorial. Is it okay? You can reduce it by 1. Okay, for example, 4 factorial. 4 factorial, we can write this as 4 into 3 factorial. The same way here it is n minus 2. If you reduce it by 1, n minus 2 minus 1, which is n minus 3. Again we are reducing by 1. So that on the numerator and denominator we will get n minus 4 factorial, which is 2 by 1. So now these two will get cancelled. So we will get 12 by n minus 2 into n minus 3 is 2 by 1. Okay, so now we can cross multiply. So we'll get 12 is equal to 2 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. Again, if you cancel this 2 and 12, if you cancel it, you'll get 6 is equal to n minus 2 into n minus 3. Open the brackets, you'll get a quadratic. Okay, from there you find out what is the value of n. Open this one. Okay, expand it. We'll get a quadratic equation, solve it and find the values of 1. Find the value of n. Although we are getting two values, sometimes any one of the value will satisfy, not both. N is a natural number. Sometimes you may get n as negative, or sometimes you may get n as fraction. So you have to select the number which is a natural number. That one you have to select. So when you expand this, what you are getting? 6 is equal to n minus 2 into n minus 3. Yes. Srihari, Atul, switch on. So what is the value of n you are getting, Atul? Can you give the answer?
5.
5. So when you expand it, what you are getting here?
N square minus 5n is equal to 0.
Okay, so n square minus 5n is 0. So you'll get n is 0 or n is 5, isn't it? But n is equal to 0 is not possible. So only, okay, n is equal to 5. Yes, correct, Atul. Good. So n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. Okay? Is it okay, Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed Adin, when I ask any question, will you be there to answer? Mohammed Adin. Earlier when I asked a question, yeah. Mohammed Adin. Okay, now write down the next question, children. Write down, find the value of n. So these 3 questions which one you are going to solve are important questions. Not 3 questions, 4 questions. Write down, find the value of n. The first one, n plus 1 factorial is equal to 20 into n minus 1 factorial. N plus 1 factorial is equal to 20 into n minus 1 factorial. Second one, 1 by 5 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial is equal to n by 6 factorial. N by 6 factorial. Third one, n factorial by n minus 2 factorial is equal to 110. In all the cases, the question is find n. Find n. Fourth one, n factorial by 2 into n minus 2 factorial and n factorial by 4 into n minus 4 factorial are in the ratio 1:6. N plus 1 factorial is equal to 20 into n minus 1 factorial. Second question, 1 by 5 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial is equal to n by 6 factorial. Third one, n factorial by n minus 2 factorial is 110. Fourth one, n Fourth one, n factorial by n minus 2 factorial and n factorial by 4 by n minus 4 factorial are in the ratio 1:6. Are in the ratio 1:6. You all copied this question, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Naureen, Leah, Ashwin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You all copied. Okay, so there are 4 questions. Listen, each one I'll assign one number. You have to solve that question and get ready with that answer. Okay? Nandana, first one. Note down the number. First question you have to solve. Annette, 2. Rijas, 3. Aishwarya, 4. Again, Gauri, 1. Diya, 2. Krishnachandran, 3. Srihari, 4. Is it clear? I'll assign one number. That question you have to solve. Aparna, 1. Gayatri, 2. Sania, 3. Karthik, 4. Again, Atul, 1. Punya, 2. Ashwin, 3. Achyut, 4. Very happy, Ashwin? Aryan, 1. Aryan, 1. Aditya Satyan, 2. Naureen, 3. Okay. Michael, 4. Michael, Aryan, are you listening? Shubham, 1. Do it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we need to do only the 4th question.
What is the number allotted to you? That question you solve.
Okay.
First you solve that question. Nia, did you get the number, Nia? You copied that question, Nia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What's the number you got?
I didn't got the number.
So 2, number 2. Solve the question number 2. Similar questions we have solved, isn't it? Shubham, today itself send your record back lab activities to me. Okay. Shubham, complete the activities and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Shubham. Ready? Nandana, finish? Yes. Okay. Aishwarya, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then Ashwin, switch on And then we'll be able to see whether you finished, completed it or not. Is it ready, Ashwin? Huh?
1 minute, ma'am.
1 minute. Atul, ready?
Yes.
Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Those who are ready, just raise your hands and show it. Others, okay. Rijas, ready? Okay. Anet? No. Dia? Finished. Only one question you have to solve. That number. Which number you got? That one. Okay. Punya finished. Aditya Satyan? Aryan? Krishna Chandran? Krishna Chandran, Ashwin? Michael, switch on it. Switch on your video. Navrin? Michael? Navrin? Okay, I hope you all completed that one, isn't it? Okay. Those who got the first question, just raise your hands. Question number 1. Nandana. Okay, Atul. So Nandana, you explain the first one. Okay, explain the first question.
So n plus 1, uh,
Hmm.
you can write that as n plus 1 into n into n minus 1 factorial
Very good. So,
equal to 20 of n minus 1 factorial.
is equal to 20 of n minus 1 factorial. Okay.
So the common can get cancelled.
Hmm.
And then we are left with n plus 1 into n, which can be simplified
Hmm.
as n square plus n equal to 20.
Okay. So you can write this as a quadratic equation. Now, Aryan, can you give the answer? You are getting the quadratic equation, isn't it? You can solve it, and what's the value of n?
Ma'am, I got 4.
Got n as 4. Is it correct, Nandana?
Yes,
N is it 4?
yes.
Others, is it clear, children? Okay, n plus 1 factorial is equal to 20 into n minus 1 factorial. What she did? N plus 1 factorial, we are simplifying this as n plus 1 into n minus 1 factorial. And n minus 1 gets cancelled. So you'll get a quadratic equation and you are solving it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we should take only positive values.
Yes, n is a natural number. You can't take negative. You'll be taking only the positive values. Okay? Now, those who got the second question, raise your hands. Question number 2. Annette, Rijas, which one you got? 4.
Third.
Okay. Annette, raise your hands. Ashwin? Ashwin, which
Yes,
one you
ma'am.
got?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Which?
I got the third one.
Third one. Then Annette, and who else? Raise your hands. Gayatri. Then only these two. Punya. What about Michael? Nia? Michael? Okay. Gayatri, give the answer, Gayatri. Second one. second one. Can you explain that one, Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am. We can take the LCM like 5 from
Okay. So,
5 functional into 6 functional factorial raised to 6 factorial plus 5 factorial.
okay, by 5 factorial, 6 factorial. Isn't it? Is it like this you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Equal
Is
to?
equal to n by 6 factorial.
Is equal to, okay, n by 6 factorial. Then?
We can convert the 6 factorial of the numerator as 6 into 5 factorial.
Okay.
6 into 5 factorial plus 5 factorial by 5 factorial into 6 factorial is equal to n by 6 factorial.
Okay. Then?
And we can take the common one outside.
Ah.
So 5 factorial into 7
Ah.
by 5 factorial into 6 factorial is equal to n by
Yes.
6 factorial.
Okay,
Then we can
good.
cancel the common. Therefore 7 by 6
The 6 factorial also we can cancel, isn't it?
Yes,
so
n is equal to 7.
Are you getting the answer? N is equal to 7, others? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain again?
See, what she did is, just how we will add two fractions. That same principle he used. See, just cross multiply 6 factorial plus 5 factorial by 5 factorial into 6 factorial is n by 6 factorial. Is the first step okay, Achyut?
Yes,
Then what? Then the numerator, the bigger one, she is expressing in terms of smaller one. 6 factorial, she is writing, we can write it as 6 into 5 factorial plus 5 factorial as such. And from the numerator, we take 5 factorial as common. So the numerator 5 factorial and denominator 5 factorial will get cancelled. Again, here we have 6 factorial. Okay, in LHS we have 6 factorial in the denominator. RHS also we have 6 factorial in the denominator. So you can cancel 6 factorial. So comparing these two, you will get n is equal to 7.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What about the others? Is it clear, children? Is it okay? Now, those who got number 3. Number 3, raise your hands. Rijas, Krishna Chandran, and Srihari.
I got 4 now.
You got 4. Ashwin. Okay, Krishna Chandran, explain this one. Third one.
N into and we will write it in the form n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial by n minus 2 factorial. Then n minus 2 factorial will be cut. Then we will get n square minus n equal to 110. Then find n from that. So we will get n minus 11 and n plus 10. That is n equal to 11 or n equal to minus 10.
Okay, so on solving this, you are getting n is equal to 11 or n is equal to
minus 10.
Minus 10, okay. So the possible value is
11.
11. So you have to mention that one. N is equal to negative 10 is not possible. For the exam, you have to mention all those things clearly. Here we are getting 2 values for n. Okay, it's correct, Krishna Chandran. Okay. So n bigger number here, n and n minus 2 factorial are there. Bigger one we are expressing in terms of smaller one. We are cancelling. Is it okay? Fourth one. What is the answer? Fourth one. Srihari, you solved the fourth one. What is the answer? What is the answer?
Only answer or should I explain?
Final answer. Give the final answer.
14 or 15.
14 or 15. What about the others? Those who got the fourth question, raise your hands.
Ma'am, 6.
Karthik 6. What about the others? 6 is the correct answer.